Multiply 34.79 by 0.74 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 7 plus the carried 3 is 31. Put 1 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 13. The first partial product is 13,916. Now use the next digit to the left, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 9 is 63. Put 3 in this column and carry 6. 7 times 7 plus the carried 6 is 55. Put 5 in this column and carry 5. 7 times 4 plus the carried 5 is 33. Put 3 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 3 plus the carried 3 is 24. The second partial product is 243,530. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 1 plus 3 is 4. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 7. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 4 is 5. In the 100,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 257,446. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 4 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 4 decimal places. Place the decimal point 4 places from the right. 257,446 becomes 25.7446. So 34.79 times 0.74 is 25.7446.